I've been trying to trade this pea popper for so long. Nobody wants to offer because they think it's so basic. Oh my gosh, is that a blue marker? I have an idea. Hey, would you like to offer for this camouflage limited edition pea popper? It will be getting off the value list pretty soon. Oh my gosh, really? I'll give you this shark poppet, my gummy bear mini poppet, this green and blue simple dimple, this pink, green, and blue triple dimple, and I'll give you this purple unicorn poppet. Wait, since it's limited edition, I'll give you this color changing Among Us poppet. Oh my gosh, I would totally do that. Get scammed. That was pretty easy. I kind of want to trade again. I'll go with this simple dimple, this triple dimple, and this mini gummy bear poppet. Trading a simple dimple, a triple dimple, and a mini gummy bear poppet. Oh my gosh, me, I'll totally do that. Really? What's your offer? I'll give you this dimple, this mini poppet, this blue mini poppet, this swirl neato, these 2 bracelets, and this mini poppet. Oh my gosh, here, enjoy your fidgets.